talking about the breeze.
It's a tasty little vape. It goes very nice with a cup of coffee.
It's a great morning vape.
So this vape is kind of like, it's like the guy who wears a suit to a job interview at McDonald's. It steps up to the plate and it knows it's going to hit a home run even before the ball is pitched. And that's just what's so nice about it, because you hand it to somebody and they're like, oh, vape. And then they're like, but where do I get that?
Where'd you get this?
Paper espionage. Paper espionage.
Ooh, you send it on VE. It is my favorite Saltnik device.
It's big, man. This vape is pretty freaking cool though, because it's large and in charge. It's ultra portable, but it's not.
Do you see that?
Huge.
There are a few negatives to this device, but yeah, they're just few fucking negatives.
So
bad about it.
Yeah, really, how does it stack up to other vapes is really the comparison, because all the ultra portable devices on the market get the job done. They get the job done, you get your nicotine, and it's nice. But really what it boils down to is the hit, the build quality, and how it feels in your hand, and things like that. So why don't we talk about the build quality first and foremost?
The build quality is impeccable. It's so well put together. The only thing that I dislike about the build quality is this top cap, which I don't even put on it ever. I have it on for the video, but it hasn't been on in months. The thing is, it pulls. It just isn't right somehow.
It's stupid.
And it pulls your mouthpiece off with it a lot of the time, and it takes a lot of finesse to get her off of there. Can you get her off?
Oh, I can get her off.
So I don't use it. And it doesn't affect it in any negative way, but it's there.
I mean, it's there, because especially if you turn this device upside down, it does have a tendency to drip. So it's nice for when you put it in your pocket. You don't want to, risk having sauce in your pocket.
Oh. Yeah.
But, for normal, just if you know what's going on, you don't really need it.
Yeah,
But this mouth hole
down,
is large, in diameter, and you can get lint in there. It is very easy to pop it right off and just
blow through the other end or whatever.
But that's another step you got to take, I guess.
It's worth it for this device, in my opinion. There's a really cool aspect to this device that I like, and it's the fact that it uses a normal vape coil in it.
Yeah.
It's got this cool chimney system. It's unscrewable. Then it may be a little more work than your normal pod system. You don't get to just pop the pod out and or fill it up, but you really do. You just unscrew and you can fill her up. And then this is the coil down here in the bottom. So when you replace the coil, you just take her out. It's kind of a messy process.
But it's not a pod. It's not a pod that, when it breaks or gets burnt, you throw it away and it's, just a piece of shit. It's an actual coil. What is that? It's a bottom vertical coil, so it puts out a pretty good cloud.
It's made by Aspire. It reminds me a lot of the Aspire Cleato's coils.
Yeah.
Just a smaller version. And it's crazy because it's it works well with Saltnik. So it's the first real coil, vertical coil that we've seen that was for Saltnik specifically, because usually they're for the 3 milligram, 6 milligram, 12, whatever you want, but they can't handle the 50 with salt base. It's kind of fire.
Yeah, I like it. So how's the hit quality, Nate?
Hit quality's pretty great.
Yeah, I mean, compared to other ultra portable devices, it's 50 nicks, so it's going to be harsh, but it's pretty smooth. The airflow on it is this one little thing on the side.
It looks like a plus.
It looks like a plus, and it it's small, but it really puts out. It's on par with airflow with, say, the Mi Pod, but it's the flavor that you get out of this. I think
So
is a
much
little
better.
yeah. They got it dialed in, and you know
It's like hitting like a normal. It's like hitting a vape. It's a lot more like hitting an actual vape than hitting a ultra portable vape, which is awesome because I've always liked the hit of like a RDA or a tank more than those pod systems, but this one really did a good job of combining the whole ultra portable thing with a great hit.
yeah. There's a second Breeze that's on the market right now, the Breeze 2, and
That one's an actual pod
Yeah.
system.
but the hit is a little weaker, and the fucking I don't know. It's not as nice. It looks cool,
Yeah, the
but
Breeze.
it doesn't play.
Dude, it looks like I'm not wearing a hat. I just have like a yellow thing. Oh, guys, we got a new microphone. So
Yeah,
if you like the sound
good.
quality of this boy, check out the link in the description. We'll have a link for it. If you guys like this video, make sure you fucking destroy the like button. Just
And comment
fucking like.
and subscribe.
Comment that shit. Comment whatever the fuck you want. You comment and you say, hey guys, what about this device? We're gonna fucking buy it, and in a week
review it.
you're gonna know all about it.
Look how much bigger I am than Nate, bicep wise.
Flicks on them.
Flex.
Oh, and if you guys want to check it out, follow our Instagram at fucking Vape Boys. I'm gonna be posting on there a lot more often in the future.
All the time.
Yep. Check out Nate Vapes 98.
Mario_Vops.
Yeah. If you really want the content, though, it's Nate Vapes.
I mean.